Step 2. Step 2, okay? What's in step 2? We choose what? A level of significance. Okay? And statistician call this number is alpha. Okay? And alpha is what? Alpha is a probability of making what? Type 1 error. Okay? And what's type 1 error? It's what? Under the assumption that H0 is true,
Okay.
and we still reject H0. Okay? That's called type 1 error. Okay? But for more advanced course, we'll tell you more about this. Here, we just tell you a very simple rule. Okay? Usually, okay? Usually, alpha is what? 5% or 1%. In the final assessment, if I don't say anything about alpha, you just choose alpha equal to what? 5%. Okay, rule of the thumb is people just choose alpha equal to 5%. And step 3, test statistic used. Test statistic used. We use X bar. X bar is what? X bar is sample percentage. We use sample percentage to estimate pi. We use sample percentage to estimate population percentage. Okay? And our decision is
the class level for goods and services are increasing.
Our decision is to reject H0. We're going to reject H0 if p-value is less than alpha equal to what? 5%. So we want to tell you what's p-value. What's p-value? Let me define here, okay? P-value is defined to be the probability under the assumption that H0 is true. How likely the test statistics behaves at least as extreme as the observed value. Okay? A lot of what? Readings. Okay? So let me stop here. Okay? You want to copy? Go ahead. Give you 2 minutes. Okay? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, what's your name?
Pardon?
What's your name?
My name is Gurpreet.
Okay, Gurpreet, right? You get the class participation credit.
But Shubham told this on the message.
Huh?
Shubham already messaged you about this.
Yeah, send me an email. Remind me, okay? Now look at here. Step 4. From the previous discussion, calculation, we're going to compute what? The p-value. What's p-value? P-value is under H0 is true, how likely test statistic behaves at least as extreme as observed value. Okay? Now, how are we going to look at this? Well, we flip the coin 100 times. This is large enough for central limit zero. So the sample mean or sample total will follow approximately normal. The center of the distribution is EV sample mean. EV sample mean is EV sample total over N, and that's EV total divided by N. But EV total is average of the box times N divided by N. N cancel, so it just average the box. And depends on it's a count box or sum box, right? It's mu. If it's what? If it's a sum box, or you say non-01 box, okay? Or it's what? It's pi. If what? It's a count box. This is 01 box. Okay? And what do we know about under H0 is true? Under H0 is true, it's a fail coin, right? Look at here. What's p-value? Let's go over this one slowly, okay? Under the assumption that H0 is true, what's the assumption we make on H0? It's a fair coin. Pi equal to 1 over 2. When this assumption is true, what test statistic used to estimate pi? We use X bar. So the test statistic used to estimate pi is sample percentage. And what's observed value? What is the observed value of the sample percentage? The observed value of sample percentage is in 100 flip, we see 40 heads, okay? So look at here, look at here. Under H0 is true, pi is what? Pi is 1/2. But I'm not gonna write 1/2. I'm gonna write 50 over what? 100. That means when I flip the coin 100 times, I expect to see what? Expect to see 50 heads from a fail coin, okay? But what I actually observe is not 50. What I actually observe is only 40 out of 100. This is what I observed. What I observe is only 40 out of 100. But what I expect to see from a fail coin is 50 over 100. There is a difference between what I observe and what I expect. Under H0 is true. If H0 is true, if no hypothesis is true, what I observe should be close to what I expect. If this doesn't close to what I expect, further deviate from the expectation is called extreme. So this shady area is what we call what? P-value. Less or equal to. It's like what? It's like your boyfriend always say he likes you or he loves you, right? But 100 times work out with him. 99 times he was busy watching what? The other beautiful girl on the street. That's called extreme. Okay? Look at here. Under H0 is true. You expect to see 50 heads out of 100 flip. But if you see 40 or even less, it's kind of what? Deviate from what you expect to see. Like your boyfriend always say he likes you or he loves you, right? But 100 times work out with him. He always busy what? Huh? Watching the other beautiful girl on the street. That's kind of extreme. Is that okay? The same idea here, okay? Now let me stop here. So you have what? You have 3 minutes. This is a little bit deeper on concept. I give you longer time. You have 3 minutes to digest the idea, okay?